What's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching. Jay Nolasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode we'll be doing some unboxing. We got a few couple of boxes here to be unboxed today, and stay tuned and let's do the unboxing. So, which ones are we gonna unbox first? The smaller ones or the bigger ones? Start with this one. So, with this one, picked up about this Adidas website, and they had this 20% off flash sale. So I pick up a few because they are really cheap that day, and sizes are sold out fast. So first one, we got the Adidas Game of Thrones. And we got the Ultra Boost Game of Thrones women's size 10. And there we go. So we got the Ultra Boost Game of Thrones Lannister. This one comes with a red upper with a black accent with gold stripes and some kind of nice detail on the back. It says "Hear Me Roar" with a nice detail on the tongue. Let's move on with the others. So basically all of these are the Game of Thrones. Here you go. As you can see, Game of Thrones, Adidas Game of Thrones, another Game of Thrones. And there you go. Mostly Adidas Game of Thrones, and it's going to be just the same shoe but different sizes. Like this one is size 8.5. That one's also size 8. This one is 9.5, 9, and 8. And this one is the size 10. And it's going to be going to the collection. And some of these are just going to be given to a relative, because shout out to Kit Kat, who will be getting the size 9, and he ordered, like, we wanted it before, but it's because still price is still high. We just wait a couple, about 2 or 3 months, and then it went on sale. Like, the price dropped to 50%. So the retail on this one is 180, and it went on sale for 50% off, so it's like somewhere 90, and then additional 20 for the flash sale. So let's go back with the detail, and it's nice Ultra Boost upper, red upper with some black and red with gold stripes, with some white, the midsole, and some detail on the tongue. Also, if you could take this out, we could try. There you go. So, padding says the Game of Thrones. The size 10 will be mine. Alright. Next one, let's check out the other shoes. Next one. That's a huge box. Got the Adidas right there. And about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 5 on this item. So let's move on to the unboxing. Alright. To the side. Okay. Well, I got one more, another Game of Thrones right here. It's 7.5. Same. Oopsie. Alright. Okay. Got the NMD here. Got 1 and 2 NMDs, and also Ultra Boost. We got 1, 2, and 3 Ultra Boost. Okay. First one, we got the Ultra Boost here. Sure. Okay, let's pop it open. Let's see. Oh, it's the green one. Light green. Ultra Boost. Alright. This one also priced $90, and then with that additional 20% off. If I'm not mistaken, this is the Ultra Boost 4.0. As you can see right here, the detail. It's nice and clean, greenish colorway. There you go. And some details here are the NYC right there inside the sole. Just the basic Ultra Boost, and pretty clean color. It's really nice color. We got those, and this same colorway, but I got the 10.5. Also bought size 10 and 11. And last two, same sizes. We got 3 pair of NMD R1. There we go. It's some kind of camel style with NMD on the back. With some kind of orange accent, camo. Really nice color. This one is, I think, somewhere 89 at that time, and also included with the 89 with the included additional 20% off. So pick up a few, not bad for the price. There we go, with same color on this one. It's nice and clean. Items are, we got NMD R1 Ultra Boost 4.0 and the Ultra Boost Game of Thrones Lannister. This one I really like it, and I picked one of those 10 because it will still fit on me. Even though these are women's exclusive, they are still, I believe they're still in good for men's. There we go. And this one is like much better if you see them on hand. Like, I'm kind of skeptical when I saw them online, the picture on the website, but this one is really good on hand. Like, the pink color accent on this one is not that noticeable, but it gives a pop on the color, and the color of the camo, nice and clean. Between the two, I like it better, the Ultra Boost Game of Thrones than the NMD, and lastly on the Ultra Boost 4.0. And also another pickup on the Nike store. So got me 3 of this jogger pants, and this one's prices on $19.99, additional 30% off, but this one is size XL and this one's in size medium, but they were tagged $39.99. So what I did is just grab my size medium and then ask them to price match with this one. And I really like one of this jogger because we got the tapered here at the bottom. Not much anything going on this, but it's just a simple jogger, but it is pretty nice and comfortable. So what do you think about this pickup on whole? We're thinking the retail on this one is somewhere 2,000, but then you have the additional 50% off and then additional 20, so not bad for the price. It's a good pickup, a good haul, and I really like the Game of Thrones. It's just have to be patient, wait until the price drop, and then even though they're gone 50% off, then you still can wait additional 20 and can't go wrong on that prices. So what do you think about this pickup? I hope you like it. Let me know. Leave a comment down below, leave a subscribe, and with that being said, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Please leave the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't.